So let's go back to our code. And right now we're setting the height and width of the author thumb to rems, but let's shift over to using pixels. And we're also setting the border radius that way. We'll shift over to using pixels for this because it's related to the height and width. We have the border set to pixels already, as well as the box shadow and the margin. And it seems like the margin could go either way. Again, this is a space between the top of the image and the text. And if we scaled it with rems, as the content got bigger, the image would get bumped down further because the rems would be bigger as well. For now, we'll keep it at pixels. And then up here in our snippet content, we'll leave the width and margin with pixels as well, since they impact the layout. So with these changes, let's save and refresh in the browser, and we'll scroll to this section. And now let's adjust the size in our HTML again to see how that impacts the layout. We'll do font size, and let's do 20 pixels, and we'll scroll down. Now everything having to do with layout in our snippets is now using absolute units. But if we inspect this element and we look up a little bit into our hero section, we'll see that the padding on this is set in rems. So this will impact our layout quite a bit as our font size increases. So let's adjust this padding. I'll go back to the stacked hero section snippet, and here we have the padding set for our alternative stacked hero section, and we'll adjust this to use pixels. We'll save this and refresh in the browser, and we'll adjust the font size of our HTML to 20 pixels again. And now we see these items lined up next to each other.